It's time for another bloopers video. My husband's over there like, yeah, and I'm like, no. We filmed a lot of videos last year, and so with that comes a lot of flubs and blubs and oopsies and bloopers, and I hope that you're laughing with me and not at me. Without further ado, let's get started. You know what I mean? Like I get all sweaty and stuff from the gym. Okay, is my mic on? Are we action? Are we action? Action. Am I ready? Am I go time? We're starting the year with one of the comfiest coziest comfort foods. Tell me, what is it good for? Chopping up my onion. No. Can you cut? Let's cut. I gotta go spray my hair. I love technology, but not as much as you see, but I still love technology, always and forever. I'm gonna show you to see. Okay, hold on. Ready? One more time. He clapped the clap. Okay. Bing! Why did you have to write me that? Why? Why?
You wanna have some biscuits then?
Ow. Oh no. Now I hurt my hand. Well, I was trying to jazz it up. Okay, shake it out. All right. That's all I could think of. As you can see, nothing is scripted. Falls on floor. Ready? I am bringing the thunder. Thunder. Ready? Okay. Tell me when. You just say action.
Action.
Here we go. Uh-oh. Dang it. At least it wasn't. Thank you. Okay, so can I just keep going?
Yeah.
This is just the ultimate comfort food. And it gets infused with so much flavor from the white wine. Why did you make me do that?
Smile. There's some delicious food that you're cooking.
Yeah. How is it? Bolognese. Bolognese. What is it? How do you say it again? Hold on. Cut. Oh. Ooh. Oh. I think I'm ready. You cannot lick my fingers because I'm going to lick my fingers. All right. I look good? I look good? I'm gonna eat cake. There's lots more of good things in here. That was awkward.
If you want to have the ear sticking out.
Okay, keep going. Thanks. Maybe I should have maracas. Say, we've made this. No, let me do it again. And I'm not exaggerating. No, I don't like that. When I say, keep up. You want to start over? You know. You love me. I think I got some hot sauce on the corner of my mouth. I need to go clean up because it's burning. Yowzers. I first tried this. Wait, is my mic on? That's normal. No, I had my coffee already. Blah. Thanks! week, 5,784. I'm just trying to have fun over here. You get it.
Wait.
And it's still recording. Wow. This dish was totally inspired. Do I have stuff all over my lips? I feel like I do. No? Teeth? Oh! Wait, shoot, I forgot. If you love this, if you're looking for more, if you're a fan of salmon, make sure you try our, what? Okay, it's so pretty. No, okay, no, okay, I'm excited, so I have to organize my thoughts, organize your thoughts. This is, and I'm craving cheesecake, so, no, hold on, wait. And set it aside. I don't think that's necessary, right? I just add stuff to the bowl. It's easier. What am I gonna, I have to close.
Don't forget to share this recipe with your family and friends.
All right.
Like, what do we have? We have.
Okay, come over here, come over. You can say that, stop right there. So the wave of sleepiness just hit me, boom! And I'm like.
You want a little squeeze?
Like a Matrix situation. What are we doing here? You're the cutest. Wait, hold on. Pause for a sec. I need to wipe your face. You have something on your face. Look at me. Okay. Yeah, you can't tell on camera. Okay.
And this is another one. He's my brother. This is my daughter.
Diana, brother looks like he just got out of bed. Can I do Sharky here? Brain fart. And brain fart. The glaze is wet initially. No, that's not what I wanted to say. Can we start over? Still needs to be a little wider, I think.
Dissecting the fried leg.
Okay. I just don't know what happened. See you in our next video, we will. Is it over? Let me know what was your favorite blooper. And also, if you guys have any recipe requests in this new year, let me know in the comments. Also, great big thank you to everybody who has watched our videos over the past year, followed along. I love you guys. I love seeing you in our live premieres on Friday mornings. We just have so much fun, don't we? Thank you, thank you, thank you. And much blessings and happy and prosperous new year to you guys. I'm really excited for what's in store for this next year. I have so many great recipes planned to share with you all. It's gonna be a year of a really good cooking and fun new things coming your way, so stay tuned and we'll see you on the next episode of Natasha's Kitchen. Bye for now. Yeah. Little hands.